Sanibonani Thokozani, good morning. Uthi uMamleta Mbuli in one of his songs. Isintu sithi, isintu sakudala, ilifa lezithutha, lidliwa ngabahlakaniphileyo. Since we Black History Month, thought about the words of this song. Ilifa lezithutha, lidliwa ngabahlakaniphileyo. We have a task to rewrite history. As we know, history is not a beautiful one. Abo khokho bethu lived under oppression. Abo khokho bethu azange bayazi inkululeko since inkathi zama missionaries, since inkathi zama colonizers. And they died with very heavy hearts. They died with sadness and a lot of trauma, but with the new dispensation, 1994, freedom, esayithola, we were been given an opportunity to rewrite history, to correct, to fix izinto. And as now we were thinking ukuthi itholwa yithi kuphela lenkululeko, but to a certain extent, to a large extent, I believe kwakhululeka ngisho abokhokho, kwakhululeka isimo samathonga samadlozi ethu qobo, who did not have an opportunity to practice fully ubunyanga, who did not have an opportunity to live freely phansi kwenkolo yabo yesintu, inkolo yabo yokuba abantu abamnyama ngendlela ehlukahlukene, who never had that opportunity to participate freely kwi-economy and at an equal footing with amanye races. And we are given this opportunity to go back now, senze ukuthi lenkululeko kube yinto eyiqiniso. To a large extent we're living under a fallacy, because okuningi that we think ukuthi sikhululekile kukho, we really not. And it's a concern ukuthi then thina, what kind of history are our kids going to hear about or to read about if kungalungi izinto kusasemanje. We have an opportunity njengoba ngisho ukuthi ithonga nedlozi, umoya wethu wokuba abantu abantsundu, abantu abamnyama, uthole inkululeko. They are free from wherever they are, even though they had to give of impilo zabo abanye, give up freedom yabo, give up so much, go through so much pain and suffering, ukuthi at least thina sithole lokho esikutholile namhlanje, where they are able to come to us through kumaphupho, basithole ukuthi thina we are not oppressed ngalendlela babe oppressed ngayo. We are able to practice isintu sethu, we are able to practice, to exercise amalungelo wethu, ama-rights wethu. Kuya ngokuthi manje sikwenza kanjani lokho. It's a call for us njengoba kuyi Black History Month to reflect ukuthi senza kahle, senza kanjani, in order for us as abantu abamnyama to get to a point where we are fully participating kuko konke in our continent, in the world, and in our country. We are spiritually liberated, we are financially liberated, we are emotionally liberated, we are psychologically liberated, because lenkululeko lena, it comes in layers. Noma singaba sikuthi sithi siyayithola mhlambe imali or an economical emancipation, if we are not free spiritually, sisazoba nenkinga. If we are not free psychologically, sisazoba nenkinga. If we are not free emotionally, sisazoba nenkinga. If we are not free physically, sisazoba nenkinga. So ngathi singathi kule nyanga sizicabange and really look at the ways in which we can make our ancestors proud. there is a saying, it's a popular saying that black, we like saying it, city black child, you are on your own. I am saying that let us change even that statement. Let us change Lauma statements are negative towards us as abantu abamnyama, that are not affirming impilo, that are not affirming inkululeko, that are not affirming abundance, that are not affirming freedom. And I say today, black child, you were never alone. Black child, you will never be alone, because you have ancestors towering behind you. You have an army of ancestors towering behind you, walking with you and standing tall with you. So we are not alone. Ngathi singaba a different mindset. Ngathi we can observe this month, sifundisa abantwana bethu history iqiniso, because history says you is distorted, and our ancestors are coming back, hence abantu abaningi, they would say why ngathi banobizo and ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo. It's because ithonga libuyile, abadala babuyila, wanting to help us unlearn certain things, are wanting to help us remember certain truths about us, about them. They are wanting to liberate us ngendlela eyiningi. Bayabuya bazosixoxela, bazositshela indaba, the truth, because iqiniso eli one-sided linamanga phakathi. A truth that is not full, that is one-sided, is as good as a lie. So it's up to us to go back and find the materials that will tell us the truth about who we are. It's about us going back and praying and talking, communing with our ancestors and asking them to tell us the truth, and barife matla, basiqinise, basiphe nesibindi, and that courage to take back what is ours as abantu abamnyama. And it starts engqondweni. It's all mental. Singayoba yithutha ilifa lethu lize liyodliwa abahlakaniphileyo. Siyabazi ke bonke siyabazi abahlakaniphileyo. We may not want to say it, kodwa sonke siyabazi people who have stolen from us and who continue to do that and who continue to oppress us, making us believe ukuthi yebo sikhululekile, kanti cha. Not really. It's up to us. We need to dig and need to find the truth. We need to live the truth. Siphile inkolo yethu, siziqhenye ngenkolo yethu, siziqhenye ngobuthina. And that is how we will make our ancestors proud. That is how we will say thank you, indlela esingababonga ngayo, for the blood, for the sweat, for the struggle, for the traumas they've had to endure for us. People like Abobiko, and so many other greats that have fought, to Mamu Nomzamo or Matigizela, that have fought for us, that have fought for this liberation. And may we get into this, may we go through this month changing in narrative. Yoguti black child, you are on your own. We are never alone. We have an army of ancestors towering behind us. And ilifa lethu alisoze ladliwa abahlakaniphileyo. Yes, not yet to huru, but if we go back to the drawing board, we come together as a collective and we find those ways, and we go to badimo re lo kopa bohlale, ba o lokisa dintho, ba o busetsa dintho the way that they're supposed to be for thina isizwe sethu. Nothing is impossible. Thokozani Khanya.